RealWritingJobs.com. Urgent. Writers needed. More writing jobs than we can fill. Now accepting workers worldwide for a limited time. Turn your spare time into cash. With your new writing career, you can work from home, set your own hours, work directly online, earn an excellent income, pick topics to write about, view new jobs every day. You can get paid to write articles and stories. You can help improve books and movie scripts. You can get cash for writing blog posts. No experience required to join. Questions: how much money can I make? Your earnings potential is really up to you. The harder you work, the more money you can make. In the past, I've made well over $10,000 in a month writing articles, but this doesn't mean you'll make as much. I worked very hard and wrote many hours every day. Using the tips and resources found in RealWritingJobs.com, if you put in similar effort, there's a good chance you can make a very solid income. How long until I get my first payment? The bulk of the companies you'll be writing for pay you instantly upon completion of the job via PayPal, check, or bank wire for larger payments. You will work out the payment terms with each employer before you start the writing job. Do you offer a guarantee that I will make money? No. We can't make any guarantees about how much you can earn, but we do provide you with everything you need so you can start making good money writing online. We offer a 60-day unconditional money-back guarantee. So if you find that it is too difficult for you to make money, we will refund your membership fee within the first 60 days. However, we are confident you'll be very happy making money quickly, which is why we offer such a great money-back guarantee. We stand 100% behind our site. Will I have to buy anything else after I sign up? No, absolutely not. Your cost is your RealWritingJobs.com membership, which includes all the information you need to start writing, as well as the largest job bank of writing jobs online. Again, the largest job bank of writing jobs online. What countries are eligible to join? Citizens of all countries can join. So long as you have above an 8th grade writing level, you'll be able to write articles. I'm not that great of a writer. Can I still join? Yes, certainly. These companies that want articles need them to be written in a simple way so that everyone can understand them easily. If you can write at an 8th grade level or higher, you are qualified to start writing articles. We also have a lot of amazing tools to help you become a better writer and correct any grammar mistakes you make in your article. Is RealWritingJobs.com going to be my employer? RealWritingJobs.com does not employ you. You will be employed directly by the companies and blogs that hire you to write jobs. RealWritingJobs.com provides you with the largest online job database of writing jobs, as well as the best writing training tools available. You'll be able to choose which freelance writing jobs interest you. If you'd like more information about this exciting opportunity, just click the link below this video. Thanks for watching.